JEGS Hot Rod Heaters will keep you warm on those cold days. Simply connect plumbing and wiring directly to your cooling system for immediate heat. Blower unit blows fresh air through the heat exchanger, elevating the air temperature, which then exits through the outlet louvers, adding strong and consistent heat to any vehicle. You can even use these auxiliary heaters as an economical alternative to replacing a worn-out or hard-to-reach heater core. Heaters are available in a variety of sizes and styles with multiple speeds and adjustable settings. Defroster and louver vent kits are available separately. Log on to jegs.com today or call 1-800-345-4545. The most trusted name in automotive performance. One call gets it all. One click gets it quick.
JEGS.